Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Roblox chat history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now let's open up the Roblox app here. And if you wanted to see any of those chats, you can tap on Party at the bottom right here, those people, and then you'll be able to see Chats More, and it will show me all of these chats. Now I can scroll through here, and on any of these, I can just tap on the name, and if I have a conversation here, I'll be able to see all of them. However, maybe you want to delete this conversation off of your app. To do that, let's tap on Profile or that person here, so it will show the profile of the other person. I'm going to tap on the three dots at the bottom left here. And now the only real way to remove that conversation or chat from here is either hit Block or Unfriend. If I tap Unfriend, you can see that friend has been removed, and the conversation will no longer be here. Now, keep in mind, if I turn around and add them right back in, it will bring that conversation back into my chats, but essentially it won't remember any of those past conversations. So it's an easy and good way to kind of wipe that clean and start with a fresh slate. So that's basically how you can delete your Roblox chat history. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.